Mastering the present perfect continuous tense. Affirmative sentences. Hello, language learners. Welcome to our video where we unravel the mysteries of the English language, one tense at a time. Today, we're going to dive deep into the present perfect continuous tense. We will specifically focus on the formation of affirmative sentences in this tense. So, let's get started. Before we jump into forming affirmative sentences, let's refresh our understanding of what the present perfect continuous tense actually is. This tense is used to describe an action that began in the past, is still ongoing, and may continue into the future. It's typically marked by phrases like, for the last 2 hours, since morning, or all day. An example could be, I have been reading this book for 2 hours. Understanding the formula or structure is essential for mastering the present perfect continuous tense. The formula for forming affirmative sentences is subject plus has, have plus been plus verb, ing, plus object. Remember that we use has for singular subjects and have for plural subjects or the first person singular and plural. I, we. Let's apply this formula in practice. We'll use some examples for better understanding. 1. She has been running for an hour. Singular subject. 2. They have been playing football since morning. Plural subject. 3. I have been studying English for 5 years. First person singular. 4. We have been living here since 2010. First person plural. Notice how in each of these sentences, the action started in the past, continues in the present, and may also continue into the future. Now it's your turn. Try forming some affirmative sentences using the present perfect continuous tense. Remember the formula: subject plus has, have plus been plus verb, ing, plus object. And that's it. You've now mastered the art of forming affirmative sentences in the present perfect continuous tense. Keep practicing this structure in your daily English conversations. With time and practice, it will become second nature. Remember, language learning is a journey. Every step you take brings you closer to fluency. Thanks for watching, and keep up the great work.